All right, so this will be a video on how to install the new post processor or additional post processors when working with the new version 2022. So what you're going to be doing is returning back to the installation folder. Here I have on my desktop. And then in that installation folder, you're going to go under the post processors folder, and then the wire folder. And then you're going to scroll down and find the post that you wish to install. So if we go with the Makino post, we just double click and run as an admin. We go ahead and click yes here. And just follow through the prompts. So what we're asking for is the Makino, and then which actual machine are you using? So if you have multiple machines, you would run through this setup as many times as necessary to get all the machines that you have installed. So let's say for this one, I'm going to pick a U6. Next. This is the installation folder. Next. And we just finish this out. And then finish. So we can minimize this. We come down here, go to all apps. And if we come down to our Opticam Classic, you can scroll down and notice that now I have my Makino and then my new U6. So now you'll just select the machine that you're going to be starting with. This will open up the software for you. And because this is the first time that you've ran through it, it's going to open up into the post processor. Options allow you to just get everything set from here. So let this finish up. And then we'll just set up our post as we would normally do. We can pick our header templates and then press OK. And then once that's set, this post will now be set up. So now you can go through, set up your software, set your units as needed. So, and then we're all set. All right, thank you.